Okay, lorsque, speak up please. Lorsque nous lisons, speak up, nous lisons un roman, speak up. Lorsque nous lisons,
Lorsque
nous
un
lisons,
roman,
lorsque nous lisons un roman, c'est clair. Lorsque, speak up, lorsque nous
clair,
lisons un roman ou une nouvelle, ou une nouvelle, c'est clair. Notre, see, what I have used. Speak up, pensée, speak up, pensée, sentiment,
pensée,
sentiment,
sentiment,
l'esprit. What I have
l'esprit,
used for thinking, I have used three vocabularies: pensée, l'esprit, sentiment,
l'esprit,
imagine.
sentiment,
Speak up, imagination. Speak up, notre
imagination,
imagination. See, I cannot use over here l'esprit again, pensée again. C'est clair. C'est clair. Notre imagination. Speak up. Notre imagination se transporte. Speak up. Se transporte. Notre imagination se transporte to the suite. Speak up. To the suite. What I have used, immédiatement we have used. See, understand my the concept of my lecture today, concept of my class today, concept of the session today. I don't want you to use the repetition. In the previous line we have used immédiatement we have used immédiatement. C'est clair? C'est clair? Now over here I'm using lorsque nous lisons un roman ou une nouvelle, my imagination se transport to the suite, immediately to the suite. C'est clair? Is it clear to you?
clair,
I can repeat one more time. I have used immédiatement. C'est clair? I have used
clair,
immédiatement. Now over here I'm using se transport, that can be transported immediately. Now over here I cannot use immediately, I have to use to the suite. Speak up, to the suite. C'est clair?
to the suite,
Suite dans un monde, speak up, dans un monde, speak up, dans un monde complètement
dans un monde,
nouveau. Very important. Complètement nouveau. Complètement. E we have graph. This is my graph, right? If we have a graph, say clair. Now I'll explain to you what is this basically. I will explain to you. Now you will repeat after me. Say clair. Now, lorsque, when nous lisons un roman, I read a roman. Your roman is your novel. Ou une nouvelle or a nouvelle, okay? Notre imagination, my imagination, जो मेरी हमारे रूढ़िवाद विचार होते थे जब हम अनपढ़ होते थे, इलिटरेट होते थे हम, जब child education, dowry system, girls early marriage, right? ये कब चेंज हुई? You tell me. जब हम educated हुए. Say clair. वो क्या कह रहा है कि notre imagination, यहाँ पे आपको country example देना. I will explain to you. See, I will explain to you lot of things. Ki how you can, give the country example. It is just today I just want to give you, a base of this sujet, and we have to go for upper and upper. Say clair. So I'm saying notre imagination, our imagination, se transport. Speak up, se transport. Speak up. Se transport to the suite immediately, immédiatement, to the suite, dans un monde, in the world, monde, in the world, completely new. C'est clair. Complètement nouveau. If you have a topic is your lecture, if your topic is your l'étude, if your topic is, girls education, c'est l'éducation des filles, c'est clair. If your education for l'école, the school, pourquoi l'école important pour les filles? Why the school important for the girls? If you have a topic like this, so you can use the same regular. Say Claire. Is that clear to you? Tell me.
Oui, monsieur.
So this is how the technique we have. Speak up. Lorsque nous lisons un roman ou une nouvelle. See, I will give you a lot of things over here, but at least you will get a concept of one topic. One topic can be with 20-25 topics. C'est clair. So lorsque nous lisons un roman, ok, notre imagination se transporte tout de suite dans un monde complètement nouveau. C'est clair. C'est clair. Clair? Clair?
Oui.
So now
Oui.
after me. De nos jours, on peut observer que la lecture devient de moins en moins populaire chez les gens. Pourtant, il faut insister sur le fait que l'habitude de lire des romans, des nouvelles peut certainement présenter de nombreux avantages. C'est clair. D'abord, la lecture développe la pensée créative. En effet, l'esprit de lecture commence à travailler immédiatement une fois qu'il se met à lire. C'est clair? C'est clair. Lorsque nous lisons un roman ou une nouvelle, notre imagination se transporte tout de suite, c'est clair, dans un monde complètement nouveau. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no. Tell me yes or no, Dimple.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Yes, yes. Yes,
Good.
it's clear.
C'est clair?
Yes, sir.
Now, c'est la langue. You have,
Yes.
you have to use my body language. Speak up. C'est la langue. Speak up. See, this is how the technique is. You have to, feel the language in order to speak. Speak up. C'est la langue. Speak up. This is the language. Speak up. C'est la langue. Speak up. Speak up. C'est la langue.
C'est la langue.
The Louvre. Speak up. Oh, the Louvre. Louvre is to open. Ouvrir is my verb to open. Ouvrir. Louvre. Speak up. C'est la langue. Speak up. Speak up. If I will say,
C'est la langue.
this is the language.
C'est la langue.
The language which open the image of your creation. Can you use the same line? For example, if we have a smart school, if we have a lot of things, can you use say la langue? Speak up. Say la langue. Speak up. Speak up, please. Say la langue. Speak up, please. Speak up. Say la langue. Speak up.
C'est la langue.
Speak up. Say la
C'est
langue.
la langue.
Speak up. Say la langue.
C'est la langue.
Say la langue.
C'est la langue.
Speak up. C'est la langue. The Louvre qui. Crée. We have created. Qui crée. Now E we have aigu over here. Qui crée. E we have aigu over here. Qui crée. C'est la langue. Speak up. C'est la langue. The Louvre qui crée. Speak up. Qui crée des images. Speak up. Des images which create the image. Qui crée des images dont l'esprit. C'est clair. समझ आ रहा है आपको? Dont l'esprit du lecture. C'est clair. Du lecture. C'est clair. Et lui ouvre toutes les portes. Speak up. Toutes les portes de la création. Very important. Very, very important. See, we are using phrases. We are using idioms. That's how the language is. Is that clear to you? C'est clair. C'est la langue. This is a language qui crée des images which open the image. Dans l'esprit. Dans l'esprit. Yes, in the mind du lecture of reading. Et lui, we have him. Et lui ouvre, and to open him, and to open. Et lui ouvre, open toutes les portes. Port, we have a door. All the door. toutes les portes de la création, which open all the door of the creation. C'est clair. C'est clair. So tell me, speak up.
Claire.
C'est la langue. Speak up. Now, for example, you have a topic school. C'est l'école. C'est l'école qui l'ouvre, qui crée des images dans l'esprit du lecture. Obviously, we do reading over there, we do learning over there, du lecture, du apprendre quelque chose. Apprendre is my vocab to learn. Apprenez quelque chose. Et lui ouvre toutes les portes de la création and open the door of the creation. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
C'est clair. Now,
Claire.
we'll use second connector. Sorry, next connector ensuite. Then, आप एक चीज देख रहे हो? Just imagine one thing. If you are focusing in one thing, in every line I'm using a different connector. This is you have to follow. C'est clair. Ensuite, then speak up. Ensuite, speak up. This is my connector. Ensuite, le fait. Le fait de lire, the fact of the reading. Le fait de lire, aide. It is my verb to help, aide. Help, aide. Ensuite, le fait de lire aide à enrichir, à enrichir. Enrichir, a is your vocab, basically a. This is preposition to, a. Enrichir, we have done enrichir. C'est clair. Enrichir son, ça c'est his, son vocabulaire. C'est clair. Vocabulaire et, okay, vocabulaire et enrichir notre connaissance. C'est clair. Is that clear to you? Tell me yes or no. Tell me yes or no.
सर यहाँ पे फिर ए enrichir दोबारा यूज करना
इसको हम यूज, इसको कुछ और कर लेते हैं हम अभी. We'll do next vocab also.
Can we say enrichir son vocabulaire
Vocab a
connaissance.
A no. A no. And in
तो हम ये कह रहे हैं your knowledge and your vocabulary.
enrichir son vocabulaire et connaissance. हम कर सकते हैं. We can do connaissance. Clair?
Can we use ameliorate?
Yes, very good. Ameliorate, to improve. Ameliorate. E we have a ague over here. This E we have a ague. This E we have ague. Ameliorate notre connaissance. C'est clair. Tell me, Dimple and Gitanjali and Sohail, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Clear?
Yes.
See, अब मैंने क्या यूज किया? C'est la langue de l'œuvre qui crée des images dans l'esprit du lecture et lui ouvre tous les portes de la création. Ensuite, le fait de lire aide à enrichir son vocabulaire et améliorer notre connaissance. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Clair? See,
Yes,
that's
sir.
how the language it is. Now, Dimple, can you please repeat the no jour se? Whatever we have learned, the no jour se.
Pardon me, sir?
Can you please repeat from the no jour se, the lecture wala, the no jour se? The no jour.
Sir, to be very honest, I don't exactly remember the words as because I have to, there is a gap of 1 year
Achha, no problem.
in between, so I'm not able to.
No problem,
Yeah.
no problem. Give it to me 1 second.
Yeah, I fully understood the lesson. I understood everything as such.
Very
But
good.
somehow at this moment, I'm not able to recall it.
No problem. What I will do is I will share the recording, right, in your WhatsApp,
Right.
so that you can see and you can, judge entire thing. Okay? Is that clear to you?
Right, sir.
Chalo, let's start with Gitanjali.
Yeah, it's clear.
Gitanjali, the no jour. Speak up.
The no jour of observer,
Mhm,
la lecture,
mhm,
the bien, De moi en moi populaire chez les hommes. Pourtant, il faut insister
sur le fait
sur
que
le fait que
l'habitude de lire des livres, des romans et des nouvelles peut certainement présenter de nombreux avantages.
D'abord, le
Sur
lecture
développe
développe
la pensée créative.
créative.
En effet,
En effet,
l'esprit des livres, l'esprit de lecture, ok.
lecture commence à travailler immédiatement une fois
Fois
qu'il
qu'ils
se
se mettent
met
à-
à lire.
Very good.
Lorsque
Hmm.
nous lisons un roman
Un roman
un roman
ou
ou
une nouvelle,
une nouvelle, notre
notre imagination
imagination
se transporte tout de suite,
tout de suite,
immédiatement, ok, tout de suite, dans un monde
dans un monde
complètement nouveau. Speak up, dans un monde, speak up, dans un monde complètement nouveau. C'est la langue, speak after me, speak up, c'est la langue, speak up. Speak up, Dimple and Sohail. C'est la langue de Louvre qui crée
C'est
des
la langue.
images.
Le Louvre qui
Crée
crée
des
des
images
images
dans l'esprit du
dans
lecture.
l'esprit
Et lui ouvre
du lecture.
toutes les
Et
portes.
lui ouvre
C'est clair.
toutes les
Ensuite,
portes de
ensuite, le fait de lire aide
et
à
de lire
enrichir son
aide à
vocabulaire et améliorer notre
et
connaissance.
améliorer
C'est clair.
notre connaissance.
C'est clair.
Claire.
Heavy तो नहीं हो रहा पैटर्न आपको? Tell me. Heavy हो रहा है पैटर्न या और कराऊं अभी इसमें कुछ 5-6 लाइंस और ऐड ऑन करूं? Tell me yes or no. Dimple and Sohail, tell me.
So I think
Yes,
it's
sir, you
enough.
can add.
You can add. It is your wish, sir.
We can add, na?
We are
That's
ready for that as well.
yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, now what I will say, en effet, again, I will use en effet, indeed of, speak up, en effet, le lecture, speak up, la lecture, speak up, en effet,
The
la lecture est très bénéfique, speak up, bénéfique, speak up, bénéfique. En
Benefit.
effet, la lecture est
Bénéfique.
très bénéfique pour améliorer, en effet, la lecture est très bénéfique pour améliorer notre bagage langagier. Notre bagage, speak up, baggage. Notre bagage langagier. Langagier, c'est clair. Now, over here, we have en effet, la lecture est très, we have graph. La lecture est très bénéfique. Speak up, bénéfique. E we have ague, E we have
Benefit.
ague, bénéfique.
Bénéfique.
Améliorer, pour améliorer notre bagage langagier. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Sure.
So over here, we have is en effet, speak up, en effet, indeed of.
En effet.
La lecture, the reading is very beneficial. The reading is very beneficial pour améliorer. समझ आ गया? Pour améliorer. Pour is my vocab for preposition for for, F-O-R. Pour améliorer. Or notre bagage langagier. मतलब the language of baggage. C'est clair. The language baggage. The language baggage.
Right.
For example, you have very good Hindi. It means you have a good hold in the language. C'est le bagage langagier. C'est clair. The language hold. C'est clair. So en effet, speak up. En effet, la lecture est très bénéfique pour améliorer notre bagage langagier. Now, afin d'améliorer votre langage bagagier, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Afin d'améliorer votre langage bagagier in order to improve your language French. Langage bagagier, in order to increase your language hold, in order to improve your language hold, Vous devez lire beaucoup. Vous devez lire. See, we are doing reading.
Read.
In order to improve the language French, it is, yes, this is a fact. You have to read a lot. For this reason, we are doing reading, because you will come to the concept. And vous devez parler beaucoup. You have to speak. Vous devez écouter beaucoup. You have to listen. So, I will be share 3 recording now. Je partage. Partage is to share. Partager, we have a partager. Speak up. Partager. Je vais
Partager.
partager. Partager is my vocab to share. Je vais partager. I'm going to share 3 audios. Three audios in which you have to, vous devez lire, you have to read, vous devez écouter, vous devez lire, vous devez écouter. In order to improve language French, afin d'améliorer votre langage bagagier, vous devez m'écouter. Vous devez m'écouter. You have to listen to me. C'est clair. C'est clair. You have to listen to me. Vous devez écouter, vous devez lire, vous devez parler. C'est clair. And you do understand me. C'est clair. C'est clair. Vous avez compris?
Clair. Oui.
Clair? Oui. Partager, écouter. E, we have a aigu over here. Écouter, E, we have aigu. C'est clair. C'est
Yes.
clair.
Clair.
Yes, sir.
Clair? Now, speak up. The blue, I'm using one more character. The blue, speak up. The blue, speak up. The blue, le lecture,
The-
speak up. Le lecture est une,
La lecture.
est une source. Source. A source. The reading is a source of. Le lecture est une source de divertissement. Speak up. Divertissement. Isko very important. Divertissement. Speak up. Divertissement is your
Divertissement.
entertainment. Divertissement is your entertainment. See, we are doing reading. Okay. En fait, nous faisons la lecture. Pourquoi? Why? Tell me. You give me the answer. Nous devons. Okay. Nous faisons lire.
We are doing reading.
Pourquoi? Why? Parce que, because, afin de réussir, afin d'améliorer, afin d'augmenter notre bagage langagier, nous devons lire beaucoup. Nous devons ajouter quelque chose. Nous devons ajouter les mots nouveaux. Nous devons ajouter les mots nouveaux. We have to add the new words. Les mots, the words. C'est clair. Les mots, c'est clair. The words, c'est clair. Is that clear to you?
Clair.
Les mots nouveaux, c'est clair. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So what
Yes,
we
sir.
can do is over here, so you have to repeat after me. Le lecture est une source de divertissement. C'est clair. C'est clair. Elle est donc. Okay, chalo. एक काम करते हैं. What we can do is, we can stop the session as of now. ठीक है? Now you tell me what would be your task. Votre tâche aujourd'hui. Votre tâche aujourd'hui. Tell me votre tâche aujourd'hui. Your task. Votre tâche aujourd'hui. Tell me your task today. I will share 3 videos, the same of this live session. You have to listen. You have to read. Et vous devez écrire. Vous devez écrire. Écrire में verb to write. C'est clair?
Yes.
Clair.
Clair? Now you tell me,
Clear, sir.
समझ आया? You have understood. You understood the entire thing, but I conveyed to you.
Yes, sir.
कुछ और improve हुआ है आपका language? Tell me, Sohail.
Yes, sir.
Very clear. See, we have a lot of things over here. जैसे tomorrow we'll do the Malboof activities करेंगे कल हम. Tomorrow I will use my body language. We'll do activities in terms of Malboof. Tomorrow, okay, we'll do the Malboof activities.
Sir,
Malboof.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. Mal?
Malboof. मैं लिख देता हूँ Malboof.
Yeah, please write it.
Malboof. Malboof is your bad eating habits. मतलब जो आप कहते हो
Okay.
बर्गर पिज्जा उसको मालबूफ बोलते हैं. Junk food we call
Yes,
it
sir.
malboof. Junk food we call it malboof. Mal is bad. Boof is your buffet. Bad buffet. Malboof. Bad food.
Right, right.
Clear? उसमें हम क्या vocabulary
Clear.
करेंगे? We'll use lot of vocabulary in terms of your nourishments, so that you will come to know and you will get a you know the langage bagage grip. Say clear. Is that clear to you? Okay. Say clear.
Clear.
Clear. So what we'll do
Yeah.
is we can end up the session, okay, and we'll meet you tomorrow. And I hope session aapko you have to do practice for this, basically for this session. We'll share 3 videos, 3 audios of this live session, so that it will help you out, and we'll do a lot of things on a daily basis. Okay, clear? It will help you out, to clear your because the TEF module is especially for you have to have a grip in the language. Once you have a grip, you will clear the things. So we'll do the sample papers also. We'll do a lot of things like we have an image basically which we have to design. Like if I will give you scenarios and you have to make a scenario. For example, if I will say you went to jungle and you saw a lion, make a story. So आपको तभी बना पाओगे whenever you have a strong vocabulary, whenever you. So for this reason we are doing all these type of activities. Say clear. Say clear.
Clear.
I hope Dimple,
Absolutely.
you would have liked the session. Yeah. Okay. And definitely it will.
Yes, sir, definitely. It was
Mm.
quite refreshing because I have started learning French after a gap of 1 year. So it was quite good. I really liked it.
There's not a problem. We'll do a lot of things, lot of activities, so that how the language is, right? Okay. So I will share 3-4
Right.
videos. Okay. Listen those videos, read those videos, and definitely it will help you out. Clear? Okay. Chalo.
Right.
Au revoir.
Right, sir. Clear.
Adama, tout à l'heure. Okay. Au revoir.
Merci
Au
beaucoup.
revoir.